Hello. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite things, either favorite things or new things that I've received, things I think are just worthy of sharing. I have the links to everything I'm talking about in the replay, okay? First thing that I have that I'm going to be sharing is a nail polish company, black owned, black woman owned, that is also clean. It's 11 free, and if you don't know already, I think I did a video about it before. When something says it's free, it means that it is free of a certain amount of chemicals in it. Namely, some of the big ones are like formaldehyde and other things, and something else, other ones. But this one is a company, has a special place in my heart. It's called Breukelen Polish, but Breukelen. Yeah, they have this line of nail polish, and they all are around like, I want to say $11-ish, are like 11 free, which is still great, which is better than some of the stuff that you may find in the stores. This is the color that I have, and it is paid in full. It's so nice. Okay, see, like, it's like a golden color. If I have any discount codes or anything like that, like I mentioned before, as I'm gonna have to do a replay and then I'll have the links, I'll have that in the replay as well. It does help that if you're on my main feed and you see a post that you like, if you put on the turn on post notifications, that does let you know when I post something. So it just helps with the algorithm. The algorithm is a hater sometimes. But anyway, other things that I've been really, really loving, and I just love this woman so much. Anyway, Marilyn, okay, she'll see the replay because she's on here right now. But from one of my faves, Marilyn the chef, she is out here changing lives, literally. But she made these spice blends, okay? And I posted about it on my main feed, and I've been like testing them out in different recipes. I've been using, she has smoky Augusto, okay? And she made it so that it's functional, right? Meaning that it doesn't have fillers, it actually can help your body. It has cilantro, thyme, oregano, basil, alfalfa sprouts, garlic, onion, spiced, it's not spiced, smoked peppercorns, brahmi, and smoked sea salt. And if I open it, she's taking the care actually to use glass containers, which is not cheap, especially if you are a small business owner. You can see this, like, you can actually see the different whole herbs and spices that are there. So I love me some Marilyn the chef, okay? I'm finally gonna be releasing the first part of the podcast episode I had with her that I've been sitting on. I have lots of podcast episodes that I've just been sitting on, but I need to edit them, okay? But anyway, she also made a North African spice. I actually like this too because I'm not a huge spicy person. Like, my spice tolerance, my kids have a higher spice tolerance than I do. But this one is good because it does have some red smoked chili flakes, and it's more smoky than spicy. So I must say that. Like, I've used it on several things. I used it on, like, what did I do? Different things. I love like a steamed and smashed crispy potato. I've used both of these on them. I think I shared a reel about how I make them in the microwave and the air fryer, but you can use both of these on there and they're freaking delicious. I'll link them as well in the description when I do the replay. And you're gonna be getting this from a mama of 4, okay? Mama of 4, and she out here making whole spice blends and stuff, helping people. All right, the next thing that I have, and it's been sent to me, I am an affiliate of them, and I've been using their different products because I have a problem with caffeine, namely that I drink too much of it, but I know my limit for the most part now. But they made the company Savorista, okay? They have different half calf and decaf blends, and they made just now a personal pour over coffee product, okay? So you don't have to have like a French press or anything. They make decaf blends and half decaf blends on here. So they have made a personal pour over coffee product, and each one makes 1 cup, and it has 10 pouches in here. So they have here, this is the half calf, both of them are half calf. So I will link them in the replay as well. So if you're looking for a good decaf option. There's different ways to make a product decaffeinated. There's one that has like a lot of chemicals in order for it to take the caffeine off away from the coffee beans, but then there also is a natural process that doesn't have any harsh chemicals, and that's what they use in these, okay, to get the half calf and have the decaf blends. So these are new. I'll have them linked. The Detox Box, okay, I'm an affiliate, I must tell you, of the Detox Market. So I do get their Detox Box, which is a great way to try out some clean beauty products because you just don't know what to buy, and it may not be easy all the time to get it in stores. So every month they have a box, and if you subscribe for 1 month, I think it's like $50-ish, and you get over $100 or something like that worth of products. But yes, this value for this month's box is $123, and you would pay anywhere from, I'm gonna hit myself in the face, anywhere from $50-something, hey everybody, to if you subscribe for multiple months, you can get it as low as like $39 a month. This month's box has the products from Huggins, okay, and it has a precious organic night oil, and it also has the hyaluronic acid concentrate. And you know that I hope I'm saying it right. Hyaluronic acid is to help to bring more moisture into the skin. I use it a lot at night. The box also included the Huggins Eye Contour Cream. So with the August box, you're actually getting 3 full-size products. So these two are part of this month's box. As I mentioned, every month there's a different brand in there, and yeah, it's a great way to make it affordable for you to try out different things, especially if you're not able to get into a store, any store, period. So that's this month's box. So I will have this link in the description box. Thing I did receive from the company Ursa Major, which is another one of my favorite clean beauty brands. They have this new product. It's really rich and super clean, so much so that the expiration date for some of their products, like once you open it up, if you don't know already, most beauty products, if you look on the label, they have a little jar, okay, and in that jar it will tell you how long the product is good for once you open it. And the longer, like if it says 24 or 24M, that means 24 months. That means that whatever the formulation is for the product made it so that it will be shelf stable for 24 months, and that's not great either. I'm gonna have to go for a second out. Hello, go back in there. Ursa Major, as I was mentioning, yes, they're one of the companies that have the shorter of the shelf life, which is good because that means that the product is super clean and that you have to use it once you open it up, okay? It doesn't contain a whole bunch of chemicals and fillers and all sorts of things in order for it to have that longer shelf life. But it is a great company in general. And this is the newest product that they have, the Forest Alchemy Eye Cream. It's made with chaga mushrooms and wild birch. I've been trying it in the evening. Can you see? Yeah, it's super creamy, and I use it especially I've been using it on the side parts. You know, right here, the crow's feet, especially a girl is about to be 40. So I've been using that. This is it. The Creme de la Cremer. Creamer. I hope I'm saying it. It's like an adaptogenic creamy, like frothy blend that you can put into your coffee, your Rasa, whatever you want. And it's made with tremella extract, American ginseng, L-theanine, and alma extract. And it says here it has, what did I see? Lots of froth. I saw it here where it says it has a certain amount of adaptogens in every particular teaspoon. Posting more about it. I literally just picked it up yesterday, and they will, if y'all know I'm a big Rasa lover anyway, and this is the newest product on their shelves, virtual shelves. So I'm excited about it. It smells amazing. It's made with mushrooms. It's made for you to slightly enhance your adaptogenic life period. So if you don't know already, adaptogens are useful when it comes to stress, and you have to take them on a regular basis in order for your stress. And it's like proven that certain ones, especially like other ones like ashwagandha and stuff, it will bring down your cortisol levels. So this is just an enhancer. I'm so just happy that they made an adaptogenic creamer. So you're just like layering it on, okay? Still have my coffee, and you can froth up some adaptogen cream and put it together, or you can do it separate, or you can make some Rasa on its own, and then you can make you a nice little breakfast, make you an omelet, or make you whatever you want. You can make your little adaptogenic drink to go along with your, where is that? With your spicy potatoes in the morning from my girl Marilyn the chef. Okay. So I'm gonna go, because if y'all don't know, I just had an entire drama, potty training drama. Okay, so I'm gonna go and clean that up, and I will see you all another time. You'll see me in my feed because I'll have to post some other stuff. But have a great afternoon. Bye.